To date, the version of iOS has been released to 17.2.1 by Apple. Each update of iOS version brings some different features to all iPhone users. It's pretty easy to install iOS 17 on your iPhone. Unfortunately, lots of iPhone users fail to update their devices to the latest version of iOS. What to do when iPhone says unable to install update? Don't worry. If you're getting this error, here's how to fix iPhone unable to install update and update iOS on your iPhone. Why does iPhone keep saying unable to install update? If you can't update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS, you may have encountered the following problems. First, your iPhone doesn't support the latest software. Second, there isn't enough available storage space on your iPhone. Third, your iPhone is connected to an unstable or poor network. Fourth, your iPhone isn't able to reach the update server. Fifth, the update doesn't complete. Thankfully, there are a few easy ways to fix this problem. Insufficient storage would prevent you from downloading the update. To check the iPhone storage, you can follow the below steps. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap General. Step 2. Under General, tap iPhone Storage to check the storage space. When your iPhone is connected to a poor network, it would fail to download and install the update. Then you can go to try another network or reset the network settings on your iPhone. Step 1. Go to Settings, then tap General. Step 2. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your password and tap it again. To fix the issue, you can also use a third-party tool like MagFone iOS System Recovery. It is a multifunctional tool that can help both iOS and iPadOS users to fix various system issues. When your iPhone shows unable to install update, you can try using MagFone iOS System Recovery to fix this issue without losing any data. Let's see how to resolve the iPhone unable to install update via MagFone iOS System Recovery. Firstly, connect your iPhone to a computer. Then launch MagFone iOS System Recovery and click the iOS System Repair button on the main interface of the software. Then, simply choose Standard Repair. After that, you can click the Download button to start downloading and verifying the firmware package. When successfully verifying the firmware package, simply click the Repair button and the software will start fixing the issue on your iPhone. You need to keep your device connected to the computer until the process finishes. In this guide, you find useful means that you can try to fix the iPhone unable to install update issue. When you cannot install an update on your iPhone, you can choose to use these methods. Here we recommend that you use MagFone iOS System Recovery to fix the issue without any hassle.